I'm John Crowley with Straight Edge Construction. Today we're looking at a home that has just found itself a new owner, and we're going to take a look at some things that may be key factors in keeping up your own home. There are a lot of different design aspects to home construction that make homes beautiful and give depth to the home, but sometimes those areas can be problem areas, such as where this roof line, the fascia board, comes and meets the siding. It's a key area for leaks. The vinyl siding is really just a facade. The structure is behind the vinyl siding. The vinyl siding should be protected. There's simple things that if missed can cause serious damage to the structure of your home while still maintaining a look of integrity on the outside. If we push on the siding here in this place, we can see that we have strength behind it. But if we move down or underneath the soffit, there's an area that should be flashed, and if it's not flashed, it causes rot, and you can see that we don't have the same structure in this area. So what we're going to do is pull this vinyl section off, see what type of damage is done. So the first thing that I've noticed when I've pulled the vinyl siding here, right where the fascia board meets the wall, is that it is very much just a facade. You know, the vinyl siding makes everything look like it's okay. This is an area where water is allowed to get in, just because the step flashing, you know, that's run up the roof, it's run correctly, but then below the step flashing, there's nothing here. So, fortunately, this is something that we can and will fix, and we will flash it correctly, house wrap it so that we don't have this issue again in the future. We've got solid sheathing here, and then right at the seam where it breaks, it's all rotten. That should not be like that. We'll take care of it. This is the piece of flashing that was missing. Something that would run up and behind the step flashing. See how high I went with it? It's going to catch any water that gets on the wall here, and it's going to let it run out, run it right above the nailing flange, and then tape the seam, tape the vertical seam, and then water runs out down the outside of the vinyl rather than running on the wood, and that's fixed. So that's it. From start to finish, that's how we resolve issues such as these. And we do the same thing to prevent them in the first place if we ever had the opportunity to do your siding and or your roof. So thank you for checking out this video, and yeah, check out Straight Edge Construction.